We now put the label on like this. Then, as we put the label on this side, give it a little twist and loosen it up. Then we'll twist again. Pass the label through here. Make sure it leans against the rail. And then, now, we are going to squeeze this side of the roll a little bit tighter. Now let's adjust the flexibility. Let's look. The gap where we find the gap between the two labels. And move it well. Okay, here we press this button. Then we move over again and find the edge of the label. Then press this button again. Okay, that's the end of the flexibility. Well, from now on, if we have a number here, press 0. Now we have 0 here. Set the number of the legs. Set 500 like this. Then set the speed. Now it's 10,000. Set it to 20,000. This one is the number of its pre-stop labels. Set 50. This one is its pre-stop speed. Set to 2000, so when it runs to the last 50, it slows down to 2000. Okay, now we'll start by pressing start. It's got to be 500 now. Here, it alarms and shuts down. So if we want to turn the labels back a little bit of slack. And then over here, we are going to have to tighten up a little bit. Let's press this button then to invert.